Alright, here we go on this nice evening, not blazing hot for a change. Finished her up last night. Brought her home from a friend's shop, let her sit out in the sun and do a little baking. Let it bake in the sun, put some coating on it. Let her sit in the sun for a while. You can pick her up tomorrow evening. Turned out pretty good. Got the inside all done. Turned out real good. 2021, still in pretty good shape. One of the Modbot trucks has got one of them 4-cylinder turbocharged trucks. I didn't drive it far, but it went pretty good for what far I came. Not pretty good. Talking about doing his other company truck. This is one of his company trucks. Got a small electric company. Does commercial work. Turned out all right. Well, little hot rod dually still looks good. Alright, we'll catch you later. There's a couple of things going on this weekend. We'll see if I can get some videos. Last time I shot videos, I had music in the background. They wouldn't let me post them, so I gotta figure out something different. Alright, talk to you later.